Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and it is time for us to do a Truckin' Tuesday. I was going to do a 2 for Truckin' Tuesday, but I forgot to hang on to the Moon Eyes truck until I did this video. I sold it over the weekend, and I just realized that when I got ready to take a picture for our little thumbnail picture. And I ended up buying that Moon Eyes truck. It's the crew cab white one, the Miho exclusive, and I bought it mainly for the drop chassis. Moon Eyes is cool, and if the truck would have been yellow, I would have probably held on to it. If it would have been yellow and black or yellow and white, probably. But being all white or like a two-tone white, I really I don't know, I really didn't find much appeal to it. It's a cool looking truck, but I'm trying to stick with trucks that are either one solid color or two-tone that look factory pretty much. The only wild one that I have in my collection, well, there's probably two. This is probably the wildest one right here, the one we're unboxing today. This is pretty cool though. This, I don't know what I call it on the truck, paint job or wrap, whatever is on it, looks pretty sweet. On this particular model, it would be paint and tampos, but on a real truck, it would probably be a wrap, something like that, or somebody really good with an airbrush gun. And anyways, yeah, I just really thought this paint job looks pretty cool, so that's why I ended up getting this one. And then the other one, and it's really not that wild, it's just a monochromatic look, the black crew cab we unboxed last week, the GMC with the bird on the hood for the Pontiac Firebird, and that's pretty cool. But outside of those two, everything else I have looks stock. It's either two-tone or one solid color. So anyways, guys, this one was a 4th of July promotional thing for M2 at Oreillys. As you can see, this is a sticker they stuck on there, 4th of July special prioritized distribution. So they wanted all Oreillys to have these, like, I think in June. And so these things were going for big money when they first came out, like 30 or 40 bucks each. And they have the G10 van, like a 70 or 71 G10 van that accompanied this as like a pair of bow ties. And it looked pretty cool too. But after the year or so of being out, actually not even quite a year, they fell dramatically in price. You can pick these things up now for about 20 bucks, maybe even a little less than that. I think I gave 15 for this one, and it's actually not more than the retail, because I think Oreillys are either $9.95 or $10.95 for a 1/64th M2 car in the cube. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at the box real quick. This says 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 30 with your black bow tie in the background with white letters spelling Chevrolet. And then you have your red, white, and blue flag style box to go right along with the paint. It is actually really cool. It's the same area as the truck's paint. So it looks like everything continues on. The stars and the blue, then the white with the white stripe, then the red with the red stripe. Really cool how they did that. Even on the side over here, it's like red, white, red. It coordinated with each other very well. So, end caps, really there are none. You have this end open so you can see the front grille and that nice gold bow tie. Then on the back, or in the other end cap, I should say, it's cut open. You can see the tailgate with the Chevrolet writing. And then on the back, it just has a black background with 4th of July and has the eagle head. And then on the bottom, as all M2s, they have their choking hazards, their licensing, the UPC, and where to find M2 online, their website and social media links. So anyways, let's get him out and take a look at him. I've already peeled one sticker off so I can get it open easily. This thing's been out of the box and out of the case already, on display with its other brothers, the other Chevy crew cabs and single cab dualies I have. So yeah, I really became fascinated with these trucks, and this one has a crack on the case, but it's no big deal. It's not really staying in there for a long time, and even if it did, you would never see that when it's in the sleeve. So as you can see, it's a really cool paint job. And the hood does open to expose a late model, I think, supercharged LS series engine. And then the wheels are the semi truck style wheel in a large diameter, probably 24-inch if it was a 1-to-1, maybe even a little bigger, I don't know. But I think these things look fantastic. Like this, slammed on the ground with the semi-style wheel, with the low pro tires, but not too low pro. They still have a decent sidewall on them. And that's what I'm trying to collect, or what I'm trying to make with all of my trucks. Either have them with the slam base with the big diameter wheels, or lifted ones. I only have one lifted one right now. And actually what's sitting on it is the white body. It used to be black. That's how it came from the factory, but I slammed my black one and put a base on it with black wheels. And it actually was another truck I was supposed to unbox for you guys, but I never got around to it before I got rid of it. It was the Las Vegas Convention GMC, and I ended up just getting it so I could get the base, the drop base with the big diameter black semi-style wheels. So there you are. Underneath is decent detail, but not much. But the only thing I hate about these things is the plastic base. They should have used metal. That's the only thing I have against the M2 dualies. Well, single cab dualies. The quad cab, crew cab, whatever you want to call it, they're metal, so it's not that big of a deal. They hold up really good. The single cabs, though, if they are shipped and not well packed, or even if they're well packed and the post office tosses them around, the base will end up breaking. As I stated with my Coca-Cola sets that I got, it broke, and I was able to fix them, fortunately. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. We'll be back again tomorrow with our Wagon Wednesday. I have a couple of Mopar wagons I want to unbox for you guys. A couple of them have already been wheel swapped, but I'll show you pictures of what they looked like before, because they really needed the wheel swap. I think you'll agree once you see them. So be sure to tune in for that. Turn on your notification bell for our future videos. And if you have not subscribed yet, please remember to do so. Thanks for watching.